Hey gang, welcome back. I have the Topps Chrome value packs that I told you guys I was going to open. Those came in, I was hoping they would come in the day before, but they just came in yesterday, but they came in last night, so I was already tired after a long day, so I put it off till today. I can't believe I actually was able to hold out. I was right in predicting that this was going to have the pink parallel refractors. You get 5 of those. You can see they're packaged separately than the other 3 packs. So we're going to do a combination of these, which shouldn't take too long, and a mail day. Actually, let's do the mail first. Let's get that out of the way and save the fun for at least a few more minutes of opening the packs. Let's see what this is. This is just a couple of football autographs. DJ Reed from 2018 Elite Draft Picks, and Richie James from 2018 Contenders. This is Bowman Chrome. Looks like it's all Bowman and Bowman Chrome. Yordi Cabrera, Ethan Martin. This is a like foil version. Eric Goodell, Cody Scarpetta, Chris Balcom Miller, Chrome, back to Chrome, Brandon Martin, a paper, Chavez Clark. Then we're back to Chrome. Oh, that's good. I don't know about Bobby Crocker. What year are these? 2012. I never can remember. You would think as many times as I've seen Bowman Chrome, I would know every year right off the bat. But there's only a couple that I instantly recognize. These older ones I don't. Alright. This is a heavy one, whatever this is. Ooh. Got stuff falling out all over the place. This is a good idea to recycle an empty padded mailer. I just started doing that for extra protection. Cards I mail out. Although, this is kind of a wonky setup here. Really tight in there too. 2017 Contenders. Luis Almanzar. And then a Michael Baez Bowman Tech on-card auto. Some more 2015 Contenders. Bo Burrows. Austin Ray, already got this one out of that case break. Juan Hillman and Andrew Suarez. That's green ink. I don't know if that's anything special or he just decided to go rogue and use a green pen. Alright, this one is USA Trevor Williams. It's like a gold ink. That's kind of nice. Numbered out of 100. This is from Bowman Platinum. Oh wait, there's more than one card in here. I don't think that was part of the lot. Maybe it just snuck in there somehow. Anyways, this one has a hair hanging off of it, which is kind of gross. But it happens. Actually, there's lots of hair on these. Or fuzz or something. I don't know. Yeah. What? This person must have animals, so I can't fault them for too much. Oh my god, it's everywhere though. J.P. Crawford. This is a parallel draft ticket to 99. Friedel, Heritage. Is this like minor league? Because it says the Dayton Dragons. Albert Abreu, 2017 Contenders. Another Michael Baez. Bowman Tech. Alright, then we have something else here that is very well protected. Let's see what it is. Bryson Brigman, Future Threads Auto Jersey to 99. I'm not sure this needs a magnetic holder, but I'll take it. Cool. Alright, now let's open these packs. Let's see what kind of goodies we have in here. Hopefully we get a couple of good name players on the pink refractors. That's about all I can ask for. I mean, you can get autographs and stuff in here, but it's not very likely. Kind of tough to do. Alright, Jake Lamb. There is a Votto 84. Castellanos and Greinke. Markakis Sanchez, rookie Ostadillo refractor, and Brandon Lowe. Set that aside for my friend. Lorenzo Kane. Oh, nice, a Kopech Prism refractor. Lindor and Brad Kettler rookie. And here is our exclusive pack, which has J.P. Crawford, Cedric Mullins rookie, Syndergaard, Rosario, and Schwarber. It's a pretty good pack. Not bad at all. Alright, moving on. Making a mess. Arcia, Kyle Tucker rookie 84. It's not bad. Look at that. Rookie autograph, green refractor of Griffin Canning redemption. Wow. I had no freaking even hope of getting anything that even resembled an autograph. That's crazy. Nice. Alright. Franco. Wow, that's really cool. Very, very, very unexpected. I was just hoping for a couple of good pink refractors. Pham. Let me set that aside. Gurriel Jr. A Justice Sheffield rookie refractor. And Laureano rookie. Not bad at all. Moran Perez rookie. Carson Kelly Future Stars. My third one of those. Peralta. And we're back to the pink refractors again. Chris Sale. Josh Rogers rookie. Joey Rickard. Colby Allard rookie. And Mondesi. Not as good as that last one. Alright, one more round. Let's see who we get. Can't believe I pulled a redemption. That's crazy. Maybe my luck's coming back. After having that crazy luck run, I have been pretty down. My luck meter is down to 0 lately. Maybe it's coming back. Alonzo, Whit Merrifield, refractor. Hank Aaron and Mike Trout combo, greatness returns. That's a nice one. And Allard base rookie. Avila, Trevor Bauer prism refractor. Mondesi and Molina. Alright, last regular pack. Javier Baez and Ichiro 84. Barrios and Castro. Alright. Give me somebody good. Who we got here? Kyle Wright rookie. Corey Seager, that's nice. Lasaga rookie, that's nice. Jose Ramirez, nice. And Arcia, decent. That's not bad at all for 3 packs like that. Matter of fact, that was pretty dang good. I may get a couple of more of these. I had ordered these directly off Walmart.com, but I actually saw these for a couple of dollars cheaper elsewhere after I'd placed that order, so I might grab a few more. I don't know, comment below. Do you want me to open some more of these? Let me know. I might get some more if you guys really want to see. It was pretty fun. Not everybody's a fan of the pink refractor, but I actually do like them. They look sweet. They actually look, I thought the sepia was good. sepia was good, but this, I think I like the pink better. Okay, next up, as far as new products go, is Donruss football. Which actually, you may see that video before you see this one, so I don't know why I'm telling you that. It's another crazy week. I'll try to get this I'll try to get this posted up today so that it actually makes sense when I say I'm going to have Donruss tomorrow. So that's it. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. Love you guys, and I'll see you again soon.